Hey everyone, this is Sean from Malartu, and today we're going to talk lifetime value and specifically member lifetime value. We've been doing a lot of work with fitness and wellness studios like Club Pilates, you can see up here. So I wanted to show you real quick how you could calculate something like lifetime value from two data sources, something like QuickBooks and POS management system like ClubReady. You could also use MindBody. And basically what lifetime value is going to tell you is the total amount of money that you would make from each new member that you sign to your gym. So there's a couple things going on here, and I'm going to switch over to my handy copy of our guide to fitness studio KPIs, where we've got a bunch of good KPIs listed. You can see we've got member lifetime value here, and it's made up of three elements. You've got revenue per member, so how much money do you bring in the door per member you have in your gym, gross margin overall in your business, and then attrition. So how are you acquiring new members versus the members that are leaving you on a monthly basis, or it could be a daily basis, depending on how you calculate it. So I'm just going to jump right in here, and we're going to calculate these elements and then combine them for member lifetime value and take a look at what that looks like in analytics tool Malartu. So first, revenue per member. I'm just going to jump in, and this is going to be a custom metric, and I've loaded some sample data in here. So we'll go ahead and build this. So first we need our total income. This would come from QuickBooks. I uploaded a demo here, so we'll divide this by our total members. There we go. So we're going to save that, and we'll plot this right here in this block. Okay, cool. So it looks pretty good, 135. So now let's move on to our gross margin here. So we're going to do the same thing, build a new custom metric. We'll call this gross margin demo and use these metrics again. So this is going to be gross profit divided by our total income. Okay, same thing, save, and we're going to plot this on this block. Okay, cool. So pretty good gross margin there. And then finally, we need our attrition. So attrition demo. So this is going to be our total loss members. So let's look for a loss members demo. There we go. And this is divided by our total members from the period before. So this would be looking at like the members that we had in the previous month versus the ones that we lost. So this is total members. And I'm going to switch this here to last period. Perfect. So now we're going to plot our attrition demo. Oh, I put it in the wrong block. We'll switch that real quick. There we go. Okay, cool. 3% attrition last month. Not bad at all. All right, so now these three are going to combine to give us lifetime value. So let's calculate this one last custom metric. Call this member lifetime value demo. So I'm going to reference our guide over here. So this is revenue per member times gross margin. So we're going to go back into the metrics we just calculated. Use some of our operators here. Gross margin demo. And then we need to add some parentheses here. Go back to our math roots of PEMDAS. We're going to divide by attrition. All right, got everything in place. That looks good. Gonna save that, and I'm gonna plot this here on this block. Okay, very cool. So it looks like our lifetime value is stellar. We're looking at anywhere from 2,700. It looks like January, we don't have data for the previous year, so I'm gonna actually get rid of that and change this up a little bit. I'm going to get rid of January, just go back to February. much better. And I'm going to change this, give this a little bit better look. Okay, nice. So there you have it. So now we've just calculated lifetime value from these three elements. Looking pretty good. This has given us some great insight into what each new member that we bring on costs. In a later video, what we're going to do, again with no code, is compare this to our acquisition cost to get the profitability per member that we bring in. So stay tuned, and more analytics on the way.